Okay, boys and girls, so the last strategy that we are going to look at today to help us with our adding is counting on in our heads or by using our fingers. Now, if you have been learning number bonds in school or maybe your doubles, these will really help you when it comes to adding because you'll be able to quick fire answer the questions just instantly using your head. Okay, but if you're still having to try and figure them out by counting on or using your fingers, this is how we're going to do it. Now, let's have a look at the sum I've got behind me, and that is a little bit hard to see. We've got the sum 9 plus 3 equals. Now, I told you in my last video that we would always start with the biggest number. So we've got to figure out, first of all, what number is bigger, 9 or 3. We know the biggest number there is 9. So we are going to call ourselves 9 and count on 3. So let's try. We go 9, 10, 11, 12. And that last number that you've said is your answer. The answer is 12. And you could check that by using a number line. So if we start on the number 9 and do 3 bunny hops, 1, 2, 3, we would get the answer 12. Okay, let's try the next one. So our next sum is 5 plus 4 equals. Again, I asked you to always start with the biggest number. Let's figure out, is 5 or 4 bigger? If you had 5 sweeties and your friend had 4 sweeties, who would have more? It would be you, wouldn't it? So we're going to start with the number 5. So again, you're going to call yourself 5 and count on by 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can visualise your number line doing bunny hops up those numbers. So let's do that again and figure out the answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer there was 9. And to check that, you could again use your number line. Start at the number 5 and do 4 bunny hops. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And your answer is 9. Well done. And let's try our very last sum. We've got 3 plus 6 equals. 3 plus 6 equals. Now, I had said to always start with the biggest number. What number there is bigger? Is it 3 or is it 6? And this time, it is the number 6. So we've got to call ourselves 6 and count on 3 because we are putting these groups of numbers together. Okay, so let's call yourself 6 and count on 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer is 9. But again, if you want to check, you can use your number line. You can point at 6 and count on 3 bunny hops. So 1, 2, 3, and your answer is the number 9. So the last challenge I want you to do today is, if you click to the next slide, there are 3 different levels of sums. So there is a level working within numbers 1 to 5, there is a level working within numbers 1 to 10, and there is a level working with numbers 1 to 20. I want you to choose what level suits you, and I want you to write out your sums and try and figure them out using one of the strategies that we have talked about today. So you could either use counters or bears or pasta in your house or toy cars or pegs to work out your sums by counting and figuring out how many altogether. You could work out your sums by using a number line and doing your bunny hops onto the next number. Or you could figure out your adding sums by calling yourselves a number and trying the counting on method. Okay? Boys and girls, thank you very much for all your hard work today, and I hope you had fun. And I will see you next week. Bye.